The university's Educational Recording Agency licence allows use of UK broadcast content for educational purposes, in class or hosted on Canvas. Find more information on copyright via the links below. So instead of the classic theory, example, analysis approach, try using video to first grab attention, then unpack theory during analysis to embed relevancy of theory into teaching method. Formative assessments can follow, where learners apply the same theory but to a fresh video case. For assessment, video brings variety and enriches skill sets. Start with a simple presentation, later try production of a scripted video with storyboarded narrative, enabling creative expression of argument with opportunity for experiential learning. Student films can then become a learning or impact resource. Some tips in summary: understand how video contributes to achieving learning outcomes. Wrap around context to the clip and include analysis. Be contemporary. Use video on an unfolding issue. Vary use to ignite discussion as scaffolding for theoretical frameworks. Then share with us how you use video to enrich learning and teaching.